Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we will show you how to remove and replace side view mirror on Mazda CX-7. Okay, that's the one that we have right here. Stay with us, we're going to demonstrate how to remove and replace the mirror if yours is not working or it's broken. Please subscribe, don't forget to give us a like, guys. Let's grow the channel together and let's go ahead and start on it now. Okay guys, so first thing that we will need to do right here, there is a cover that we will need to remove. Okay, like that, and underneath it there is a screw, and also this cover right here, need to remove that one, and this one tends to be pretty tight sometimes. Okay, you just pull it out like that. Now there is those two screws that we need to take care of. Okay, one on top behind the door handle cover that we just removed, and after that we'll need to go ahead and start on this one here in the hole. You can see quite a few videos on that Mazda on our channel, guys, and many more to come. Don't forget to check out World Mechanics, our main fun channel there. We have videos that relate to any car. Okay, we need to pry the door handle out of there. Okay, like that. Now we need to disconnect the wire for the central locking. Okay, right here. We can just pull the panel now. Okay, you're going to grab with your hands. There is a couple clips. Okay, you start pulling on it just straight towards you, and after that you need to remove that little cover for the mirror there. Okay, just like that. And once we remove the door panel, we'll show you where exactly all the clips are, so you know what to expect. Okay, and now next thing that we'll need to do, we'll need to feed the door handle through the door panel there. Okay, just like that, we need to disconnect all the wires that we have here. Once we disconnect them, we'll show exactly how they work, that piece. Okay, you press here down and you pull. That's how all of them are. Okay, this one as well. And that's for the master window switch there. And sometimes they can be stuck pretty good there. Okay, just like that. So the door panel is out of there now. And let us show you where all the clips are now. Okay, you can see one is missing right here. So we need to go ahead and remove this one and install it on the panel before we put it together later. Okay, and one there. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 clips. Okay guys, we needed to remove the door panel, and the only reason for that is to remove the wire. Otherwise you can remove the mirror, but you cannot remove the wire because it's under the door panel right here. And we'll need to go ahead and disconnect it. Okay, press down there and pull on the wire. There is one clip that we need to remove there, and now you need to use 8mm socket, okay, to remove 3 bolts. And there is one hidden under the seal there. Okay, we remove that one. Now what we'll need to do, you have one person holding it on the outside, make sure it doesn't drop. Second one, and now third. Okay, so that's good so far. So now you need to grab it, guys, and just pull it out. What else you need to do? You need to feed the wire through the hole there, and you have the mirror out of there, guys. As you can see, just like that, not very complicated at all. So when you install the new one, you need to put the mirror together, and you need to install the door panel in reverse order. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.